Hi everyone, Trina here. Today we're going to work on another watercolor, sort of. We're going to play with our distress inks and see if we can make some sort of seascapey background with these colors. So we've got the weathered wood, faded jeans, and broken china. I'm not sure I'm going to use this one, but I got it out anyway. It's a little bright, but definitely the weathered wood and the faded jeans. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is wet down this paper a little bit and get it ready to put some ink on. I was playing around earlier and I got some spritzies of another color on there, but that's okay. We'll just spread it out. It'll be fine. So I don't want a whole lot of water. I just kind of want it to be a little damp through here in the top. You can see I've already laid down a bit of horizon line there with my Graphite Tint pencil. Okay, let's see. I've been thinking a lot about how I'm going to do this. So I've got this sheet of plastic. Let's push this up a little bit. So we're going to dry area. I'm just going to lay down some of these colors. I was going to do it directly on the paper, but I think it's going to work better if I do it on here so that we're able to blend it together and then put it on. We're going to see. I don't know how this is going to work. Okay, I don't want a whole lot of that. And then I want some of this color down here. And I know I overlap these. Don't yell at me. Okay. So here's what we got so far. Is these sort of mess. So I'm just going to spray it down with some water. And then I'm just going to give it a little swoosh with my fingers. Now, hopefully, this will do something. All right. Let's see if we can flip it over without making a huge mess. Oh, God. Well, that turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. Let's wipe off some of this down here. It's okay if it got a little stainy, but that's kind of, this part down here is really fabulous. I don't want to futz with it too much. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Let's do, I want to take a little bit. Do I want to? No, I don't. I don't actually want to do that. I was going to do something crazy, but I'm not going to do that. I think I'm going to let this dry. I don't know where this purple color came from. Maybe from the faded jeans? I don't know. We've got some little purple colors in here that are really nice. I mean, that's just a fabulous start. Okay. Oh, I just realized you guys can't see that. Let me pull it down a little bit. Yeah, let's let this dry and then we'll see where we're at. Okay, that's dry. And I'm still loving it. So let's go in with a little bit of the cerulean just through here. Oh, I might want to put, now that I'm thinking about it, I want to put some lines in before because I talked about that with, talked about putting lines in before. I'm just going to kind of, that's a little stark for me, I think. I think I want to make it a little less. So let's dab this a little bit. My brush was really wet. But I like that that is a nice texture still. Okay. Okay, so I feel like we've got quite a beachy scene going on here. So I want to add in some of these marks through here with the wax resist. Kind of give it a little bit, you know how when the sea sparkles a little bit at you a little, when you're looking out and the sun's like right there. So I kind of want to add just a little bit of that, even though the light's coming from that way. So I think I want it kind of down here. Okay, just a little bit of those lines. And then I also want to go in and I want to see what happens when we add these marks to it before we put down paper. Because one of my, Sherry, my lovely online friend, said that she had good luck with this. So let's just put down, this is a little different than what we normally do, but I think it's gonna be kind of cool. And actually, I probably should use the blue. I kind of want these to feel like sand dune-y. Marks through here. Maybe a couple more through here. That was getting a little jaggedy. Yeah, I think that's good. I want some of those to come up. This is different. I like it though. We'll see how these interact with the watercolor. So I want some more blue through here, and then I'm going to do some browns through here. So I've mixed up a little of this, the cerulean with the liquid umber. And let's just put some of this down through here. Well, that didn't work as well as I thought it was going to work. Did I not get enough? Maybe I don't have enough water on there. My resist isn't resisting. Oh, there it goes. I just didn't have enough water on there. Let's do, I'm gonna take out some of this a little bit. And start there. Okay. So I kind of want these to come down through here. Oh, it's not really moving at all, which is good. I was worried that it would leave marks, but it didn't really. And that's kind of cool. Okay. I think we need some more contrast in here, so let me think about it for a minute. So I'm going to add a little bit of dark through here. And it's just a damp brush. I just kind of want a line coming through here. Not all the way across, just right through there. And maybe a little bit of dry brush through here to kind of give it some difference. Or that green color, actually. Be a little thicker through here. Nope, I got, got a lot of brown on that brush. This might be a very quick painting. So I've got the sky blue Mungyo. I want to add some marks through here. Let's see if I can do this without messing it up. Ooh, I like that. What do you think about that? I like it. I like the way those just sort of come across there. Make sure they're a little bit more kind of wisping across the sky. Does it need to go? It might need to go. I might need some over here too. I really like that. I feel like I want more. I want more of those. I hope I might have overdone it. No, I don't think so. Can you really overdo it? I don't know. That adds a bit of drama. Woo! I think we need some orange colors. I feel like I want to add some of this ochre orange color. Because I don't want it to be all blue. And since they're opposites on the color wheel, that should give us a nice little difference there. I might want to put some, of these marks through here. I think I like that. I kind of want them to be longer. Oh, that got a little bold. That's all right. I don't hate it. Because that was looking a little flat through there for me. I think I want to come back in with a little bit of water and kind of tone this down a little bit. These are water-soluble pastels. Now, if you're using regular oil pastels, you're probably going to have to use something like a turpenoid solvent to get these to lift up. But these are water-soluble, so it's one of the reasons why I like them. I just thought that it might need a little bit more of that color without, maybe smack those down a little bit. I'm really bummed that the marks over here didn't come out well. But it's okay. It's real subtle, but I think it's fine. I'm going to add in just a little bit more of this indigo. Just right through here. I don't know why. I figure I wanted it to be a little bit more drama there. Because, you know, when you're looking, it feels like it's... I'm going to take some away. Guys, I think I'm done. I feel like I'm done. Like, I know it's really simple, but sometimes that's how it works. So we're going to call this one finished. I don't know what I would add. In the sake of keeping things simple, I'm taking off the tape right now. I feel like if I add more, that it's just going to make it, oh gosh darn it, more complicated. I wrote my paper a little bit there. Oh well. So yeah, we don't want to, knowing when to stop is sometimes half the battle, right? So let's come in for a little bit of a close-up. So really happy with how the sky turned out. That was like literally 5 minutes, I swear. Oh, maybe even less than that. I like the blue. I love these blue lines. I like how I put them in the sky there, and they kind of just say something to me. Love the orange spot to relate to these weeds over here. The green is nice too. I'm really, I don't know where that color came from, but I'm going to say the faded blue jeans was that color. But that really, that sky is just so dramatic. It's just unbelievable that it just did that. I've tried it before, and the only thing I did differently this time was to put water on the paper before I put the plastic down. And I think that really helped to smooth things out. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video that I made. And I will see you tomorrow for another video. Thanks so much. Have a beautiful day. Bye.